Welcome to our Regulations video series. I'm Laura, your Customer Success Manager, here to guide you through Albania's Law Number 96 of 2025 on whistleblowing and the protection of whistleblowers and what your organization needs to know. The law introduces a new whistleblower protection framework in Albania. It aligns more closely with European standards and protects individuals who report violations that affect the public interest. The law was adopted by the Parliament of Albania on December 18, 2025. It was promulgated on January 15, 2026, and later published in the Official Gazette on January 21, 2026. The law entered into force on February 5, 2026. Organizations covered by the law must establish their internal whistleblowing procedures by August 5, 2026. The law applies to public sector bodies at national and local level, private entities with 50 or more employees, state-owned enterprises, and organizations managing public or EU funds. Protection also covers former employees, job applicants, board members, volunteers, contractors, suppliers, facilitators, and individuals connected to the whistleblower. Some small private entities with fewer than 50 employees may be excluded unless operating in regulated areas. National security matters and legally privileged information are also excluded. Businesses covered by the law must establish secure reporting channels and appoint a responsible unit. They must acknowledge reports within 7 days and provide feedback within 3 months. The law prohibits retaliation, requires confidentiality, and mandates internal whistleblowing procedures. If reporting is accessible online, the platform must support secure transmission. Organizations should clearly explain reporting procedures, provide contact details of external authorities, and describe confidentiality and non-retaliation protections. Private entities with 50 to 249 employees may share reporting systems if confidentiality is preserved. Reports may be submitted in writing or orally. Public disclosure is protected under defined conditions, and contractual clauses restricting whistleblowing rights are invalid. Whistleblowers have the right to confidentiality, protection from retaliation, and access to remedies and compensation. Protection also extends beyond the employment relationship and covers connected persons. Enforcement is overseen by the High Inspectorate for Declaration and Audit of Assets and Conflicts of Interest. The authority supervises internal reporting systems and may investigate violations. The law provides for administrative fines defined per violation, civil liability for damages, and in serious cases, criminal liability for retaliation or unlawful disclosure of a whistleblower's identity. Thank you for joining us. At Clym, we're here to help you navigate compliance with ease. Visit us at clym.io to learn more about our all-in-one digital compliance solution.